Hey there, data scientists and statisticians, get ready for an exciting journey as we explore the wealth of knowledge on R programming and data analysis through our bloggers. And as we all know, the R bloggers is a popular online community and blog aggregator dedicated to the R programming language. And to get started with the website, simply head on over to R bloggers on Google or any other browser that you prefer. Excuse me for the sound. And you need just to click to the official site. That means this one here. Once you click to the link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you'll find all the key features of the website and other information that you need just to read, like the R and OOP anti-pattern, or the advanced Shiny development, the hand-on workshop, or the building a basic Shiny app with Golem part 1 video. And we have more here with their images and instructor videos. Okay, now let's come back, and you can there is more pages until 2016 page. Let's come back to the up of the page, and the first thing we need to subscribe. From this one here, we need just to write the email address, and click on subscribe. And confirm it right here. That means just write it again. And here, like you see, please select the newsletter you want to sign up to. Do you want to sign up with the R bloggers newsletter daily or the R bloggers newsletter weekly? Okay, 1 email per day or 1 email per week. I will just choose this one here because I'm not using a lot these websites. I'm just show you how to start with it. So let's subscribe. So like you read with me here, thanks you for subscribing to our newsletters. Your email address has been added to our system. You'll receive a message with a request to confirm your membership. Please make sure to click the link in that message to confirm your subscription. So we need to go to our inbox to see the email that they send, this one here, and we need to click to the link that they send to confirm the subscribing, this one here. The subscribing is very easy. You need just to click to the link. So we subscribe successfully. Like you see here, thank you for confirming your subscription to our newsletter. The newsletters you are subscribed to are listed below because we subscribe 1 email per week. That means we will receive just 1 email per week. This was the first one, and the next week we will receive the other one. Now let's come back to the homepage to talk a little about the different key features that the website is present to us. So in this homepage, you will find the most important thing that you need to know weekly or daily at the updates and the news. Like example here, the most viewed post weekly. And for this one here, the R bloggers keeps users informed about the latest news, updates, and developments in the R ecosystem. This includes announcements about new package release, updates to exciting package, conference, workshops, webinars, and other events related to R and data science. Like example, if you want to see the new about the PCA, this is autocoders for dimensionality reduction, we need just to click on this one here, and like you see with me here, we are in. The PCA, this is autoencoders for dimensionality reduction. You'll find here all what you need to know, the principal components analysis, and all the information about the scientists and all of that. The autoencoder. And also here we have the presence of the social media, like you see the Facebook, Twitter, and more, because the R bloggers maintain an active presence on social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. By following R bloggers on these platforms, users can stay updated with the latest blog posts, featured article, community contribution, and engage in decisions or decision with other R enthusiasts. And also, if you want a free learning, you just will find some examples and tutorials over here. Many blog posts on our bloggers serve as tutorial or provide practical examples that help users understand and implement specific techniques or package in R. These tutorials often include code snippets, step-by-step instructions, and real-world examples to guide readers through the process of solving common data science problems using R. You will find them just here, the examples and the tutorial and everything you need to learn the science enthusiasts. And to add, your blog, it's called also the blog aggregation. You need just to click here. The R bloggers collect and aggregate blog posts from a diverse range of contributors, offering a centralized platform to access a wide variety of R-related content. This saves users time and effort by bringing together valuable resources from different sources. So you need just following these steps here with all these informations to add your blog very easily. By adding these informations here, the email address, the blog name, the blog URL, it should be www.thebloghere.com or .co.uk or any other URL that you want. And this following information here that or the answers that you need to answer, and when you find this red star here, that means it's obligatory to follow that case. Like example, they ask us for the blog RSS feed, that if you know it is best to give the RSS of your R category or tag or label, so to make sure only R related content will be added to our bloggers. The information that if you don't know what does the blog RSS mean, okay, you need to answer. And for also the blog description and this information here, then you need just to click on that you agree to the term of service, and then click on envoyer, that means send in English. So by following these different steps, you will create your blog or add it successfully. So this will be our video today. I hope you could understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me for another video like this. So bye bye.